brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar.
What's up, Flavor Squad? It's your girl Fashionisha here to give you all the flavor. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment down below hashtag Flavor Squad. If you are not new here, I thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today we're packaging orders from our Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. During my work week this week, I was making the orders. So I was like making the jogger sets that we dropped. If you don't know about them, I'll put some pictures right here. They're still available online, so go check that out. But I was making them as I went this week, so my room, it's a mess. So before I can get started to ship things out today, I have like 5 orders that I'm going to ship out today, and then the rest are going to get shipped out on like Wednesday of next week. So before I do that though, I need to clean this room, because I have clothes over here when I was trying to do TikToks, but they didn't work out. You'll probably see that video of me talking about that before this one. But yeah, that didn't work out. So I need to get these clothes up. I have a bean bag in here, and I really want to get this bean bag out because it's taking up a lot of space. I chill on it sometimes, but I need it out of here. Because if I'm wanting to grow my business and grow my inventory, make sales, and I need to have room, so this has to get out of here. I don't know where it's gonna go, girl. Like it's big, it's huge. I just literally don't know. I would hate to throw it away. Oh, I would hate to throw it away. It would break my heart. I made this with my heart, sweat, and tears. Like, I don't even want to show y'all the room, but I'm gonna show y'all. Don't judge me, because first of all, I've been working, so like don't judge me, okay? So this is like the bean bag I told you to close, where I was trying to do the TikToks, didn't work out. These are just some blanks right here on this table. That's the trash from the transfers and packages. More packages came in today. More packages, more inventory right there. I just need to, I have to get this place in order, like, and this bean bag has to go, because everything else is like crouched up in this one corner because the bean bag is taking up half the room. I was in a different place when I made this bean bag, so I'm not in that place anymore, and it's time for it to go. So you guys can watch me figure it out, okay? I'm going to, so like as I was making the jogger sets, I would put them right over here. As I was making the jogger sets, I would put them over here, so they're all neat, organized, and whatever t-shirts I had to make, I would put them there as well. Oh yeah. We also dropped our definition tees. That's the t-shirt I have on now, characterized by constant change, activity, or progress. Positive in attitude and full of energy and new ideas. Dynamic. So yeah, those are available. Long sleeves are $11.99 and short sleeves are $9.99. So make sure you guys go check that out. If you just want to support but you don't want to spend too much, that's the perfect way to do that. We also accept Afterpay, Shop Pay, girl, PayPal, anything you can think of. Really, we accept, except like QuadPay, Zip, and Klarna. But yes, you have a lot of different ways to shop on my website, so make sure you guys go check that out. I also need to start a TikTok because I just wanted to, I want to be more consistent on TikTok, and I need to stop overthinking it. So I'm just gonna make a video telling them what today would consist of, showing them the day, and yeah, let's try this. I hate talking on TikTok. Okay. Bro, this camera versus this camera is trash. The front facing camera is trash. What's up, TikTok? Today we have a lot to do. We have a lot of cleaning to do. We have a lot of organizing to do so that we can ship out these orders from Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. So I'm just going to show you guys my process of cleaning this place up, and then we're going to package and ship some orders out. So see you. Oh, is that cringe? Oh my gosh. Ugh, it felt cringe, girl. Whatever. I'm gonna edit it and I'm gonna post it, okay? It is what it is. I'll get comfortable over time. Right now it's not that time.
I know you was feeling up. Nah. Don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up. Nice saying I'm the one. Don't you know I got the juice, got the sauce. Get from around me, boy, get lost. You look goofy, you're a fraud. Don't fuck with lames, swear to God. And before you blew me off, then I glued up.
Okay, y'all, so I'm finished with cleaning up like the transfer papers and the label papers that I had on the floor. I got the clothes up off the bean bag, and now I'm just trying to figure out what the heck am I about to do with this bean bag. Like, I really just don't know. I'm not throwing this away. I'm not throwing this away. Now, like, I have like this set up in my mind of how I want the room to be set up so it can just flow differently. Because right now I got transfers on this side, but the heat press is on that side. When the transfers need to be on that side with the heat press, and the clothes is already done, need to be on this side to where I will be creating the shipping labels and packing. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm about to sit here. I'm gonna take 5 minutes. I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, y'all. So the bean bag too doggone heavy, and I cannot do that right now by myself. So we gotta wait till babe gets home so I can have some help. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started on packaging my orders for today, so I can get those out in a timely manner. Yeah, so I'm just about to show you guys that process of me preparing these orders to be shipped, how I package the orders and everything like that. So let's get started with that, and I'll put you guys to where you can see the table and everything.
But that's your own damn fault. Should know you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should know you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should know you was fucking with a fine-ass chick down a ride-ass chick.
So I have one more shirt. That's the one that I have to make really quick. And so that's a total of 6 orders that I need to get out today.
I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. You found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. You found the highway. I guess you found the highway.
Okay, so now I have all the orders that I will be shipping today laid out. Have my thank you cards, my little gift. Speaking of my little gift, this is all we have right now for the little gift. I might throw in hats in this order because I don't have my keychains yet. My keychains are coming in, but all we have right now is the decal, so it's something. And I might throw in like a free hat or whatever to these orders. So I'm about to go print out the shipping labels and the packing slips. I think I'm gonna do that first. So let's go over here and head to Shopify.
I ain't flexing like these bitches do. You could see it in my pictures, bitches, nothing new. I ain't talking about my revenue.
My bad, y'all. My camera died as I was packing these orders, but they are packaged and I'm about to take them to UPS right now. Here they are. 6 orders right here, ready to go. I'm about to get a bag. Okay, y'all, we got the beanbag out of here, and I literally should have recorded that. I should have recorded that. It was so crazy. It was crazy trying to get that big beanbag out of this little bitty room into our bedroom. And now it looks huge in the bedroom. It literally felt like the thing was swallowing us as we were walking with it. It's just like, at one point I lost Gerard during this whole thing. I didn't see him. I heard him, but I didn't see him. That's how big it was. But so this is moved over here now. This is over here. So now I just need to put everything back where it's supposed to go. And this can be functional again. Y'all, when I made that beanbag, I made a video. Like, I did a whole tutorial on how to do it. I just never posted the video. Maybe I should post the video and make like, it'll make me feel like that thing was worth my while.
Shawty fast, slim thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the girl. She don't stress, she don't trip.
Your kitchen is so bright and pretty.
Bright and crispy and kitchen.
Pretty.
Where your tree go? Let me see your tree.
Okay.
Scream my name. Every time that she goes to the crib, I'ma break her back like I break that bank. I got somebody to call her back. I got somebody to call her back. I got somebody to call her back. I got somebody to call her back.
Okay, so the room is finally together. It's looking much better than it was before we got that freaking beanbag out of here. So let me show you guys what I changed and how it's just gonna help the flow of things. So of course this is just clothing rack. Whenever I need it, I'll hang things up there. So I moved my table to this little corner where the beanbag was, so therefore I can move from here to where my laptop usually lays, print out shipping labels, grab what I need here, and package it here. And it just helps the workflow go a little bit smoother than just moving all over the place. Also down here I have my printer, and then have my scale, thank you cards. This is where the free stuff goes, whatever I put in the package. The poly mailers, the clear bags, everything is right there. So as we come over here, this is the heat press area to make anything where I need to make something. It goes here. This stuff is going out of here. It's not going to be right there. And this is my bruh. This is just a shelf, and this shelf houses like my transfers. Just put them in their own little compartment here. I don't want this area to get out of hand, so I am going to try to like reorganize everything that's in here, because this is mainly supposed to be from transfers. But right now, as you can see, I've been trying my hand at screen printing. So I have a few screen printing things right here. Poly mailers, these are not going to be here. I actually need to move those. And the rest of the areas are just transfers. But yeah, it's flowing much better. I have a lot more space to work with if I need to do TikToks or anything like that. So yeah, I'm glad that I was able to get that beanbag out of here and just create more space in this room. But all right, y'all, that is the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you learned anything, got anything out of it, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think of this video as well. But that's all I have for you guys, so continue to be dynamic, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you follow my business page on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Visit our website, dynamicxfashion.com. Visit us on TikTok, dynamicxfashion. Everywhere should be dynamicxfashion if you need to find us. But that's it. If there are any videos that you guys would like to see, let me know. I do just want to continue to get my space in a better flow and clean things out, because there's just a lot of stuff in here that I'm not doing anymore, that's not important anymore, that I just want to get out of here so this space can run smoothly. So yes, just continue to follow me on my journey. But that's it. Peace.